In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter dates and password protect your accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for maintaining the integrity and security of your financial records. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident in your ability to protect your data. Let's dive right in. First, let's begin by signing into QuickBooks Online. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once you've done that, choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This will lead you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. After typing in your username and password, press Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the gear icon, commonly known as Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This area is your control center for various configurations within QuickBooks Online. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. Click on it and you'll see a variety of settings that can be adjusted. Within this section, find the Accounting subcategory. Clicking on Accounting will expand a panel with additional settings. One crucial option here is Close the Books. By turning this feature on, you activate a setting that prevents further changes to financial information before a specific date, thereby protecting historical data from accidental alterations. After activating this feature, you'll be prompted to choose a closing date. It's important to set this date as it defines the period that will be locked for editing. Once you've selected your closing date, scroll down slightly and select the option which states Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This setting ensures that if any adjustments are attempted on finalized accounts, the system will prompt for a password, adding an extra layer of security. Now that this option is activated, you'll need to add a password. Choose something secure and memorable. After typing in your password, you'll be asked to confirm it to ensure there are no typing errors. And finally, don't forget to save all your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the panel and click on it to ensure all your settings are applied and saved correctly. That's it, you've successfully set up a closing date and password protection in QuickBooks Online. This process not only safeguards your financial records, but also ensures that any future adjustments to your data are tracked and controlled. Remember that this extra step in protecting your data is invaluable in maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your financial record keeping. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more QuickBooks tips and tricks to master your financial tasks.